stopped over and over again with this wig. This is such just an edgy rock star, I'm a bad you-know-what woman. This is the Ignite by Jon Renau. And let me tell you why she is a fan favorite. Because this is such an edgy style. I feel like most women want to wear this style and feel like they can't, but I'm gonna tell you that you can wear this style. This wig has a lace front and it has a capless construction, so it's really, really breathable, and you can tighten it up to 1 inch to 1.5 inches by just doing that. It's super simple. Lace front gives it such a natural looking hairline. I just need to put it on. And we're gonna go ahead and style this wig. Because it is a shorty, what makes it really unique is its longer front and shorter back. And the fact that it is a capless construction, it gives so much texture. I mean, just look at that. This color is the FS24 102 S12. It's called Laguna Blonde. Look at that in the natural light. This is a light natural golden blonde with pale natural gold blonde blends. And you also have a beautiful light golden brown root. Super, super gorgeous. This is such a salon high fashion blonde. I feel like every woman wants this blonde, but it never turns out that way and you're still paying a lot of money for it. So let's go ahead and put her on. This is an average cap. I tend to wear a wig cap all the time just because it holds my own hair and kind of conceals it. And I always like to tighten it to where it just feels really secure. You don't want to over tighten because then you're going to ruin that lace front. As soon as you get it on, I feel like most women are like, oh my gosh, what do I do with this wig? First, you always want to start with putting your thumbs on the ear tabs, because if you could see mine right now, they're not correct. So I'm just gonna maneuver it to where it feels comfortable right at the temples. And then there's these wires in the ear tabs. I like to pinch them to my face. Before you like put any product in it or any water in it or take a comb to it, I always just like to use my fingers. How I just hold that lace front and I kind of maneuver those knots, because you're gonna have a zigzag part as soon as you get the wig out. And they do that just to kind of keep the style in place, but it's your job to make this wig your own. Now, because this does not have a monofilament, and I know you see me doing this and you're probably like, Roxy, how are you doing that? Because there's no mono, you can't change the part. Well, that's not entirely true. You're still able to manipulate the fibers. See where it lays on you and just see how you feel about it. And then if you're like, that's not very cute on me, that's not what I picture, that's not how it is on the website. Basically, you just want to push your fingertips up to kind of give it more volume, and then play with your parting area. And those weftings are actually going to give it more lift. So one thing I know, Jenna Fail has like sold this piece out, okay? All her TikToks are amazing. She has styled it so cute. Sure, she gets a lot of comments like, how do you style it like that? Mine doesn't look like that. Spray it with a little bit of water to kind of separate those fibers. You can even use some of our Flex Hold Hairspray by Beauty Mark. We carry this, this is what we make, and give it just a little bit of a spritz, or I like to spray it on my hand and do this. Give it some volume, give it some personality, make it your own. I love this piece. I know Jenna, she does that too, or she wears it kind of more in the middle with those longer pieces and then she tucks. Look at that. Adorable. And look at that lace. Nobody would ever know. Absolutely nobody would ever know. Even a wide tooth comb, you can do this and just kind of tame these out. Maybe make it more sleek, if you will. Comb these back. Get your fingers in there, kind of poof this up. Because there's all those weftings back here, that's what's gonna give it texture. It is a fan favorite. Again, this is Ignite by Jon Renau in the FS24 102 S12. This is the Laguna Blonde. Let me get out of the sun so you can see what it looks like. But that lace front is just impeccable. Here's another cute style. If I have it more in the middle, I like to take one of these So much fun. So many things you can do. Straight back. And just like that, you have so many cute ways to wear this really edgy bob with a longer front. How do you style it? Do you use products? Do you like it more sleek? Do you like it more edgy and kind of voluminous? You tell me, let me know, because I'm so curious, because there's so many ways how you can style this wig. I'm just obsessed.